So I've been seeing a lot lately in Facebook and on Reddit, people trying to upgrade to Groovy Gorilla. So this is going to be a little walkthrough on what to do to get onto Groovy Gorilla. Make sure that you're fully upgraded. Now if you're coming from a recent install of an LTS, like 20.04 is an LTS, so if you've installed it, you are not going to be able to get onto Groovy Gorilla without doing a little extra. Do a sudo do release upgrade -d. If you're on LTS and you haven't changed anything, you're going to get this little message. Now you can actually edit this file with sudo vim etc update manager release upgrades. Oh, Vim is not installed. We'll leave it at that. We'll go nano instead. I think it's default. Okay, so the prompt right now is LTS. You want that prompt to be normal. So you'd scroll down here with your arrow keys and then over, back, normal. We'll hit Control O to write out. Hit enter just for it to happen. Control X to leave. Now I'm all set. Now I'm also going to show you how to do that graphically. Whatever your package manager is on your particular Ubuntu flavor, you want to get to the software sources. Ubuntu, it's discover, settings, software sources. Find your software sources. You can do this graphically, or you can do it with nano like I just did. This right here, it's going to be on long-term support. If you've just installed LTS, switch that over to normal releases. Once you have switched it, do another update just to make sure. And now you can hit that do release upgrade -d, D for development. And now we're going. While this is running, I will warn you, don't do this. But if you insist, this is how you do it. Make sure everything that you need is backed up. Save somewhere else. Don't do this on your production machine. Don't do this on your favorite gaming machine that has a game on it that you can't get back. Recently did this on my Dell laptop, the same one that I recorded for my Manjaro first fail. So I put Ubuntu back on it. Upgraded to Groovy, and I suddenly had no audio and no Wi-Fi. So I nuked and paved, put Manjaro back on there, and I don't know what I did different. The only thing I made sure that I did is when the launcher first fires up, you have the option of free drivers and non-free drivers. I switched to non-free drivers, and then I did the install offline, and everything was fine. And the Wi-Fi has been working good. Can't complain. This does take a good long while for this to happen. We're going to cut it up into pieces, and we're going to fast forward a whole lot of this. Now, the ultimate test is if the restart comes back up. Well, there you have it. We're on the Groovy Gorilla. Thanks for watching.